As you know from reading the title of this video, this is a Blue Yeti microphone, and I'm going to unbox it and review it. When I got the box, I noticed that it weighed a ton, which I think is a good thing. I also noticed this little definition thing, I guess. Anyway, so Yeti, noun, legendary ape-like creature who roams the Himalayas. 2, an incredibly versatile USB microphone found worldwide, which I think is a really nice touch to the microphone box. Anyways, there are 4 polar patterns on this microphone: cardioid, omnidirectional, bidirectional, and stereo. If you don't know what a polar pattern is, it's sensitivity of the angle of a microphone or something like that. Anyways, now it's time to unbox it. Inside the box you get the microphone itself, obviously, and as I thought, it weighs quite a bit. You also get the cord, and you get some papers and instructions. On the microphone, you get a headphone jack and another one for plugging the cord in. The blue microphone has 2 knobs on the back, which has a polar patterns knob and a gain knob, a mute button, and a volume knob. The microphone itself is a nice metal design, and it has the base has foam, which will probably reduce sound. So now I'm going to do a bit of testing on the different settings of the blue microphone. So this is what I sound like on the cardioid setting. This is the bidirectional setting. This is the omnidirectional setting. And finally, this is the stereo setting. This is what I sound like on my cell phone. And this is what I sound like on the Blue Yeti microphone. Tell me in the comments down below which one you think sounds better, the cell phone or the microphone. So in the end, is the blue microphone a good microphone? Of course it's a good microphone. It costs around $130. Thanks for watching.